Two top contenders in website building and app development, Ghost and Builder.ai, both promise to make it simple, fast, and beautiful. But which one actually delivers? On one side, Ghost, lightweight, fast, and favored for publishing and blogging. On the other, Builder.ai, a platform aiming to empower anyone to build powerful apps and websites without coding. Today, we'll test them in real-world scenarios: performance, flexibility, design, pricing, usability, and more. Forget the marketing talk, it's time for genuine hands-on results. We'll score each area, so you'll know precisely who comes out on top. And trust me, the winner may just surprise you. Let's get into it. Oh, and here's that handy mind map just to lay out the game plan. We're looking at price, ease of use, target audience, flexibility, speed to launch, the whole ecosystem and support thing, plus ownership and data control. Ready? Let's roll. Alright, let's start with price. Ghost is, honestly, kind of amazing if you're on a budget. You can self-host it for free, and even their paid SaaS plans are super reasonable and upfront. That means no sneaky fees, just clear numbers. But yeah, if you also want hosting and automatic updates managed for you, there might be a charge. Now, Builder.ai, their pricing is all about pay as you go, and they give you custom quotes. Sounds great in theory, but if you want something really custom or big, whoa, the cost adds up fast. And finding a clear price? Whoa, the cost adds up fast. And finding a clear price? Not always easy, so Ghost definitely takes the win here. Next up, ease of use. So Ghost is designed for writers. The UI is simple, the setup is usually a breeze, but I'll be real, if you go the self-hosted route, there is a little bit of technical setup involved. Now, Builder.ai boasts that no coding experience is needed and you get all these drag-and-drop app building tools. It's super visual, but once you start looking at more advanced stuff, yeah, there's a bit of a learning curve. All things considered, I'm calling this a tie. Both are pretty user-friendly in their own way. Now, target audience. Ghost is like tailor-made for content creators, indie publishers, even little media teams, basically anyone who wants to publish without the mess. But if you want to run a giant business app, that's not really its thing. Builder.ai flips that. It's perfect for startups and brands wanting custom business apps, but honestly, if all you need is like a blog, probably overkill, so both smash it with their groups. Oh, quick fact break. Did you know Ghost actually started as a Kickstarter project all the way back in 2013? Talk about humble beginnings. Let's talk flexibility. Ghost, yeah, you can add themes, integrations, play with the API, do your webhook magic, but its heart is pure publishing. You're not building some wild, complex business tool here. With Builder.ai though, oh man, this thing can build everything from a simple app to something really, really custom. You get templates, but you can also add custom logic. Of course, the more you want, the pricier it gets, but flexibility-wise, Builder.ai takes the lead. Alright, speed to launch. Ghost is king here. Like, it's seriously fast. If you're self-hosting, you can have your site up in minutes, and importing-exporting is just as snappy. On the flip side, Builder.ai can sometimes get you started quickly thanks to automation. But the second you go custom or complex, you're waiting weeks or even months to see that final product. Winner, Ghost, by a mile. So what about ecosystem and support? Now, Ghost rocks a solid open source community, and the docs? Super helpful. But if you want enterprise-level, hand-holding support, it's kinda limited. Builder.ai, though, sign up for a paid plan, and you get 24/7 support. Your infrastructure is managed, the whole lot. But hey, that support doesn't come cheap. Still, in this category, Builder.ai pulls ahead. Let's wrap with ownership and data control. This is where Ghost shines. If you self-host, you own literally everything. Code, content, data. Total control. You just gotta manage your own security. But still, total ownership is rare these days. Builder.ai is super hands-off and managed for you. But if you ever want to leave, well, vendor lock-in is real and your code resources might not be easy to take with you. So, if owning your stuff matters, Ghost absolutely wins here. So let's pull up the radar chart. Ghost really spikes in price, speed to launch, and ownership, while Builder.ai dominates on flexibility and support. You see those trade-offs clear as day. So here's my take. If you're a writer or publisher who wants full control and just wants to get your words out there, Ghost is totally your friend. But if you're building out a full-on app for your business and you want it done quickly, but you're cool with a higher price tag, Builder.ai is your move. Both solid, just depends on what you're after. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a follow for more no-nonsense tech insights. You know you want more of